Hello everyone, welcome to MGZ Matrix, and for this edition we're going to be using our OBS studio on uploading videos on our YT channel. And yeah, this would be an easy start. It's just a simple walkthrough and it would be fun and easy. Alright, so first things first, it's going to be using your OBS studio, download it into your laptop. So it's already in here. I've downloaded mine. This is the latest version. It's the 25.0.8. And you're going to be also opening on with your particular YouTube channel. And for this one, this is the MGZ Matrix channel. So what you're going to do first is I'm going to be using a particular music and photos as a sort of a slide for this particular upload. So what I did is I also downloaded music that is non-copyrighted from the YT YouTube studio. So I got this one in here. I already downloaded it, and I also got the pictures that I'm going to be using on for my slideshows. All right, so here it is. So all of these particular elements are already in here, and it would be an easy step-by-step walkthrough process of how you're going to be using your OBS studio when uploading videos to your YT channel. All right, so stay tuned, and it's going to be an easy ride. All right, so first things first is you are going to be opening on with our OBS studio. So this is the particular interface I'm going to be seeing once you open your OBS 25.0.8 edition. So this is the latest one. All right, so it's a bit complicated as you may seem, but it would be easy then. Just walk on with this. All right, so you're going to click on this plus sign in here. All right, when you click on this one, it's going to be showing you the particular interfaces we're going to be using when you try to upload. Okay, so what we're going to be using is only the image slideshow for our photos, the media source for our music, and the text for our fonts in our particular video. All right, so this is just like the basic three elements that we're going to be using. The rest, it's up to you. If you're going to add more inputs, it would be much crispier, but for this one, since this is just an easy follow through, it would be only this three. All right, so first things first, we're gonna click on the image slideshow. Okay, while click on the image slideshow, you're gonna be prompted with this one here. Click on OK, and you're gonna be prompting with another interface. Just click on with this particular option here, the plus sign. All right, and then just leave this checked with the loop so that it would be just repeating. Okay, so again, we're gonna click on this additional sign in here to download the pictures or upload the pictures. Okay, in here. All right, so click on this one, click on add files, and you're gonna be prompted with this one in here, and then upload your pics. Okay, so the pictures would be the one that you're going to be using for this one. So this is the MGZ Matrix pics. I'll click on all of this and then open. All right, so this would be the following setup for this one. Okay, and then click on the OK button. So we're done with the pictures. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to move these pictures in here because we're gonna be having our fonts on the other side. All right, so just move the pictures in here, and we're gonna try to stretch this one. All right, in here, much easier. Okay, so you just have to drag according to the particular size that suits you best. Okay, for now I think that would be it. And then again, let's go back to the plus sign here at the bottom part. Click on this one, and we're gonna be click on the text GDI. All right, for the text, you're gonna be clicking on OK button. Click on OK. You're gonna be prompted on with the text that you're gonna be using. So for now, you're gonna be using on this one. All right, so you type the text in here, or this time we're gonna be using the channel itself, MGZ, and then Matrix. Okay, and I'll just try to put on the other side. Let's just say I'll put here showcase. Okay. All right. And then you're gonna be prompted on with selecting the fonts. It's up to you what particular fonts you're gonna be using. You can be using like all of this particular sets in here. It's really up to you. So let's just say that we're gonna be using this one. Okay. And then italic. Let's just say that we're gonna be using 72. All right. Well, let's just say 100 with the size. Okay. Click on OK. And it's done. You can also change the color if you like. Click on select color. I'll try to use on with this. Okay. And then click on OK. And then the final one, click on the OK button. All right, so it's in here. You'll try to drag along this one in here. And it's really up to you. Okay. Or if you like, you can still change this one. All right. Maybe it's not really okay. I think it's much better in this way. All right. All right. This one. And it's much better, I guess. All right. Click on OK. Okay. And it's done. So it's already in here. You got your particular text, and you got your slides as well. You can change its size. Also, this one you can change the size. Okay. I mean, adjust the size for this one in here. Adjust the size as well. That suits you best. All right. So it's already like in second here. So the other part is the sounds. So again, you click on the plus button, click on media source, and I already downloaded the music. Just click on OK, and you click on browse, and then the music itself. I got the music in here, the YD music, and I'll choose this. Okay, open. It's already there, and then just click on this loop checkbox. All right, click on OK, and it's already in there. All right, so you already got the text, you already got the photo slides, and you already got the music. If you don't want to have this one disturb, you're gonna click on this like a key lock in here, so that it would not be touched and never being removed. Okay, click on the locked sign, lock it, locked, and locked. All those three: media source, text, and image, so that it will be simultaneous and not be interfered. Okay, as soon as you're done with all of this, you got the music, you got the text and the photo slides, you go on with the controls section. Okay, just leave it as it is. The audio mixer, the scene transitions, if you'd like, you can try to make a tweak for it, but for me, I don't usually just let it be there. Those that are just like automatic, if you want to, you can do that, but for me it's just fine. So what I usually try to tweak on is only the sources and the controls. This time you go on with the controls, then go on with settings. Okay, so in settings, you're going to be prompted with the general, the stream, and output. Okay, what we're going to do is we go on with the stream. All right, click on this stream tab, and then you'll go on with the service, which is YouTube. Server is a backup YouTube ingest server, and then the stream key, you're gonna try to click on that one so that you'll see that this is the key. All right, and then hide this one. But then what you're gonna do so that it will be syncing is that you go on hitting the get stream key. Okay, but then aside from that, you're gonna click on apply and OK next. All right, but before that, click on get stream key. All right, and it goes on prompting you to the YouTube channel itself where you're going to be using this for your stream. All right, so you got this one in here. This would be your stream session, right? So privacy is set to public, and this would be your title, MGC Matrix live stream, and also go on with the stream name key. Okay, click on reveal. So see, you got the stream key in here. You copy this stream key, copy this one, just hide this one then, and then go back to your OBS, and then instead of this key in here, you paste the one that you've copied from the YD itself. All right, paste it in here, just hide, and then go on with hitting the apply button at the lower portion, apply, and then go on clicking OK. All right, so as you see, it's already been injected in here, and also with your YD channel, right? You'll be prompting if you're on live already by having this one stream on itself. Okay, so what we're gonna do is go on in here and then click on simply start streaming. Okay, and then all right, 3 2 1, here it goes. Okay, so we're going live here now. So you see the button here at the lower part is already been set to live. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go on with our YouTube channel, and let's see if it's already working in here. All right, okay, so as what have you seen, you got here your YouTube channel and the OBS Studio, which is already working on with its particular uploads. All right, so that you can easily see, just go on having this one on the other side and your YD channel on the other side as well, so that you can see directly what's going on. All right, with your OBS and your YD channel. Okay, so your OBS is working fine in here. It says live starting from 2 minutes ago, and then in your YouTube channel itself, it's telling that you are indeed live. Okay, which is having this time lapse in here that is 2 minutes ago. All right, and then the status is live in here. Okay, so it is working. If you're gonna try to check your channel, you'll see that you're already going on live in here. All right, so this is just like a simple walkthrough of how you're gonna be doing on with OBS Studio, uploading on with your video in your YD channel doing the stream. Okay, so after which, if you're already done with your OBS and you like to close it, shut it down, you'll just have to go on, click on stop streaming on your OBS. That is in the controls panel. Click on stop streaming. All right, and then immediately, if you see the live countdown is already going back to 0, and then in your particular YouTube channel, you just have tried to go on directly, going in here, going to the go live control room, and it would direct you to your live stream, and then that's it. You just have to have that one then injected with it, and then just close it on. Right, so that is just like a simple walkthrough on how you gonna try to use OBS Studio trying to upload videos in your particular channel. Right, so hopefully this helps, and if there's any suggestions or comments or particular inputs that you're gonna be inputting in here, it would be highly appreciated. So yeah, have a great time ahead of you, and this particular OBS Studio run through would be going on and be able to assist you in your particular video uploads. All right, so have a great time, and yeah, stay tuned for more the next uploads. Bye for now.